What you doing, Nick? Nicholas, what you doing? Hmm? What you doing? Where you going? Where you going? Where did you go? Nick? Where's Nick? Oh, there he is. What you doing, huh? What you doing? What you doing? Are you my kitty cat? Are you my kitty cat? Are you behind the flowers? Huh? Are you behind the flowers? Well, you're a good boy, aren't you, huh? Yes, you are. Oh, yes. What you doing, huh? Where you gonna go? Where you gonna go, huh? Where you going? Where are you going? Where are you going, huh? Oh, there we go. Boom. Where are we going? Where's Nick? Did Nick go down? Oh, Nick's gone downstairs. Alrighty. Where's the puppy dogs? Find the puppy dogs. Yeah. Is that my Pedro? Where are you going, huh? Where are you going, huh? Where's Pedro? Where's Pedro? What is he doing? What's he doing? What are you doing with that, huh? Huh? Where are the other puppy dogs? Oh, is that Peso? Huh? What's Peso doing? What's Pedro and Peso doing, huh? Huh? What my baby's doing? Where's Paco? Is Paco up there? And Greg's... Oh, there's Paco. Paco, where are you? I see you, Paco. I see Paco. I see Paco. There's my Peso. What's my Peso doing? What's my Peso doing, huh? Where you going, Peso? Where you going, huh? Where you going? Well, come here to me. Come here. Come on. The big fat dog right here. Yes. Yes. It's my big fat dog. Pedro. What do you got there, Pedro? Pedro? What's Pedro got? What does Pedro have?
This.
What does Pedro have? Oh. Yes. Oh. My. Oh. Somebody's got it. Yeah. Oh, mean dogs. Mean dogs. Mean dogs. What are you doing? Huh? Hi, Peso. What did Peso do? Huh? They're fighting.
He's like, I'm afraid.
Where is he? Where is he?
I'm afraid.
Where is he? Huh? He's a good boy. Is he a good boy? Yes.
See?
Oh, is he gonna get down?
Does it work? Let's
I
see.
think it does. Yes.
Can he?
Yeah.
Huh? Might not. Oh, the big poop that's over there on the floor.
Where is it? You guys, where do you go potty? You go potty outside.
They're like, no, we don't. They're like, no, we don't.
Excuse me. Peso, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. What are you? Oh, is this the little brown dog? This is the little brown dog, huh? Yeah. Oh, he's a good boy sometimes. He's a grouch. He can be a grouch. He can be a grouch. Yes, you can. You can be a grouch. Yes, you can. What a grouch. Yeah. What a good boy. You doing, Pedro? With the P-Dogs. Oh, the P-Dogs.
Look at this.
Okay. Okay, guys.
Hey.
Stop.
Be nice.
Meanies.
You give me this monkey.
You give me this monkey. You give me this monkey. You give me the monkey. Can I get a monkey? Give me the monkey. Watch this.
Okay.
Can I have the monkey? No. Are you sure? Yes.
Paco, where are you going, huh? What are you doing, Paco? Paco, what are you doing, huh? Oh, he wants up. Yeah, of course he does. He's spoiled. He's a spoiled dog.
Okay, who's spoiled?
Who's the girl?
It's not even biting.
Oh, I know.
He's mugging for the camera.
Okay, guys, I guess that's it.